Most gardeners blame bitter cucumbers on bad seeds, poor fertilizer, or a variety that simply wasn't worth growing. But in many summer gardens, the real cause is happening hours before you ever pick the fruit, and most people never notice it. A cucumber can look perfect on the outside, grow on a healthy-looking vine, and still develop a harsh, bitter taste that wasn't there just days earlier. The surprising part is that the plant may be creating that bitterness on purpose as a response to stress. So, why do some cucumber plants stay sweet through the hottest weeks of summer, while others suddenly produce fruit that nobody wants to eat? The answer starts with a little-known survival response hiding inside the plant itself. For centuries, cucumbers have been valued for their mild, refreshing flavor. Yet every cucumber plant carries the ability to produce compounds that taste intensely bitter. These compounds are called cucurbitacins, and they are part of the plant's natural defense system. In the wild, bitterness can discourage animals from feeding on vulnerable plants. That means bitterness is not a defect. It is a survival tool. The interesting part is that cucumber plants do not always produce the same amount. Under favorable growing conditions, levels remain low enough that most gardeners never notice them. Problems begin when the plant starts experiencing stress. Many gardeners focus on what they can see: leaf color, fertilizer schedules, pest damage, or fruit size. But cucumber plants are constantly responding to environmental conditions that are much harder to notice. A plant that appears healthy in the morning may be dealing with a completely different situation by mid-afternoon. As temperatures climb, internal plant processes begin to change. Water movement slows, leaves work harder to cool themselves, and the entire plant shifts into protection mode. That raises an important question. If bitterness is tied to stress, what kind of summer stress is powerful enough to change the flavor of a cucumber that seemed perfectly normal just days earlier? The answer is hiding in the hottest part of the day. Many gardeners pay attention to daytime temperatures, but cucumber plants often react more strongly to the combination of intense afternoon heat and warm root conditions than to a single temperature reading on a weather app. When air temperatures climb into the upper summer range, the plant begins losing moisture faster through its leaves. To protect itself, it may partially restrict water movement and redirect energy toward survival rather than steady fruit development. That response can influence the chemical balance inside the plant, including the compounds linked to bitterness. What surprises many gardeners is that the roots can be under even more stress than the leaves. Soil exposed to direct summer sun can become significantly warmer than the surrounding air. In raised beds and especially in containers, root zones can heat up quickly during long afternoons. A cucumber growing in a black container on a sunny patio may be facing conditions very different from a cucumber planted in the ground just a few feet away. The foliage may look green and productive, yet below the surface the roots are working in overheated soil for hours each day. This helps explain why bitterness often appears suddenly during heat waves. The plant isn't responding to one bad day. It's reacting to accumulated stress building over time. But heat alone doesn't tell the whole story. There's another factor that can amplify bitterness even when temperatures are similar from one garden to the next, and it often comes down to how water moves through the plant. Water stress is one of the most overlooked reasons cucumbers change flavor during summer. And contrary to popular belief, water stress does not always mean a plant is obviously dry or wilting. A cucumber plant prefers consistent access to moisture. When soil repeatedly swings from very wet to noticeably dry, the plant experiences a cycle of stress and recovery. Each cycle forces it to adjust how it manages water, nutrients, and energy. This is especially common during hot weather. A gardener may water thoroughly in the morning, see healthy plants all day, and assume everything is fine. Yet by late afternoon, intense sun and high temperatures may have pulled far more moisture from the soil than expected. The plant can spend several hours under strain before evening arrives. Container-grown cucumbers are particularly vulnerable. The limited soil volume heats up faster and dries out more quickly than garden beds. A container that seems adequately watered at breakfast can become surprisingly warm and moisture depleted by mid-afternoon. Another detail many gardeners miss is fruit maturity. As cucumbers remain on the vine longer, bitterness can become more noticeable. A stressed plant combined with overmature fruit often creates the strongest bitter flavors of all. At this point, Many gardeners start looking for better fertilizers, different seed varieties, or special soil additives. Yet some of the sweetest cucumbers often come from gardens where growers focus on something much simpler, a way to reduce the stress before the plant ever feels the need to defend itself. The goal is not to force the cucumber plant to work harder. It is to create conditions where the plant does not need to enter survival mode in the first place. One of the most overlooked ways experienced gardeners manage summer stress is by changing how much intense afternoon sunlight reaches the plant. Cucumbers need plenty of light for strong growth, but during extreme heat, more sun is not always better. The hottest hours of the day often create the greatest challenge. The leaves are losing water rapidly. The roots are dealing with warmer soil, and the plant is trying to balance growth with protection. This is where temporary afternoon shade can make a meaningful difference. Using a 30 to 50% shade cloth during periods of extreme summer heat can reduce the intensity of direct afternoon sunlight while still allowing enough light for photosynthesis. The purpose is not to keep the plant in darkness. It is to reduce the environmental pressure during the most stressful part of the day. Many gardeners are surprised to learn that a cucumber plant can actually perform better with slightly less intense afternoon sun because it spends less energy fighting heat stress and more energy supporting healthy growth. The timing matters. Morning sunlight is valuable because it provides strong light when temperatures are lower. The afternoon, when heat reaches its peak, is often when protection becomes most useful. But shade alone is not the complete solution. There is a right way and a wrong way to use it, and the difference can determine whether your cucumber plants continue producing or struggle for the rest of summer. The biggest mistake gardeners make with shade cloth is treating it like a permanent cover. Cucumber plants are not shade-loving plants. They are sun-loving crops that simply need protection when summer conditions become too intense. The purpose of a 30 to 50% shade cloth is to reduce heat stress during the most difficult hours, usually the afternoon period when sunlight is strongest and temperatures are highest. It should be positioned above the plants with enough space for air movement, rather than pressed directly against the leaves. Good airflow is important because cucumbers need a healthy balance between temperature control and ventilation. A shaded plant with trapped, humid air can create a different set of problems, especially in areas where summers are already damp. The same principle applies to container gardeners. A simple shade setup can help prevent the leaves from overheating and can also reduce how quickly containers absorb heat from direct sun. In many cases, protecting the root zone and lowering afternoon stress can be just as important as what happens above the soil. But shade works best when combined with good growing habits. Consistent moisture, harvesting at the right stage, and avoiding unnecessary stress all work together to maintain better fruit quality. The most interesting part is that once gardeners understand why bitterness happens, they often realize the cucumber was never failing. It was responding exactly as nature designed to respond. And there's one final piece that determines whether your summer cucumbers stay productive long after the hottest days arrive. A bitter cucumber is usually not a sign that the plant has failed. It is a signal that the plant has been pushed into conditions where survival becomes more important than producing perfect-tasting fruit. The biggest lesson is understanding the chain reaction. Extreme afternoon heat increases stress. Hot roots and inconsistent moisture make that stress stronger. The plant responds by changing its internal chemistry, and cucurbitacins can become more noticeable in the fruit. This is why two cucumber plants growing in the same neighborhood can produce completely different results. One may be protected from intense afternoon heat, watered consistently, and harvested at the right stage. Another may spend every summer afternoon exposed to extreme conditions that slowly affect fruit quality. For gardeners dealing with repeated bitter cucumbers, a simple adjustment can make a difference. Use temporary 30 to 50% shade cloth during periods of intense summer heat, especially in exposed gardens, raised beds, and containers that heat up quickly. The goal is not to block the sun completely. It is to help the plant avoid unnecessary stress during the hours when conditions are most challenging. Cucumbers are remarkably responsive plants. When we understand what they are communicating through their growth and fruit quality, we can work with their natural biology instead of fighting against it. The next time a cucumber turns bitter, look beyond the fruit itself. The answer may not be what went wrong at harvest. It may have started hours earlier when the summer heat was putting the entire plant under pressure. A successful cucumber harvest is not just about choosing the right variety or adding more fertilizer. It is about creating an environment where the plant can stay balanced throughout the growing season. The most important factors are often the simple ones: keeping the root zone from overheating, maintaining steady moisture, harvesting fruit before it becomes overmature, and reducing extreme afternoon stress when summer temperatures become intense. The shade cloth method works because it addresses the problem at its source. Instead of trying to correct bitterness after it appears, it helps reduce the conditions that encourage the plant's stress response in the first place. For many backyard gardeners, especially those growing in containers, patios, raised beds, or areas with long, hot afternoons, a small amount of afternoon protection can provide a more stable growing environment. Cucumbers are not naturally difficult plants. They are fast-growing crops that respond quickly to changes around them. When the heat becomes excessive, they simply communicate that pressure through their growth, leaves, and eventually their fruit. Understanding that connection changes the way we look at summer gardening. The goal is not to fight the plant. It is to understand what the plant is experiencing and make small adjustments that support healthier growth. Because sometimes the difference between a disappointing cucumber and a crisp, sweet harvest is not a stronger fertilizer or a new seed packet. It is simply helping the plant handle the hottest hours of the day. Bitter cucumbers are one of those garden problems that can feel confusing because the plant often looks completely healthy. The leaves are green, the vines are growing, and flowers may still appear. Yet the fruit develops a flavor nobody expected. The reason is that cucumbers are constantly responding to their environment. When summer heat becomes intense, when roots overheat, when moisture levels fluctuate, or when fruit stays on a vine too long, the plant can increase natural compounds like cucurbitacins as part of its stress response. The solution is not about forcing the plant with more inputs. It is about reducing unnecessary stress. Keeping the soil consistently moist, protecting hot root zones, harvesting at the right time, and using temporary 30 to 50% shade cloth during extreme afternoon heat can help create the conditions cucumbers prefer. A little afternoon protection does not replace sunlight. It simply gives the plant relief during the most demanding hours of the day. For gardeners who have spent summers wondering why their cucumbers suddenly become bitter, this may be the missing piece. The problem might not be what you're doing wrong, but what the plant is experiencing during the hottest part of the day. When we learn to read those signals, gardening becomes less about guessing and more about understanding how plants actually grow.